Yo, brother, I'm tired. I don't know. I put me in a dirty category, brother. And I put me in some place where I'm not supposed to belong. Why would I not even belong? Bumble, big batty boy. What kind of thing that I see you put up about say yo police beat a Rygin? What kind of thing that? When you see me on police encounter, big batty boy, how comes in and I put up nothing about my music and they sitting there? Eh? How comes in and I put up about my foundation and I give people wheelchair, big batty boy? How come in and I see none of them sitting there? I this in the live for? Go suck out your mama, man. Psalms 91 against no bum buckler. I'm done still my Psalms 35 and 91 you. Go suck your mama batty boy. And stop involve me in a little mediocre impunity, brother. I want to have done a Jamaica youth and go suck your mama boy. Here.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not for it from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps, my day, yourself, I telling a walk, go on for that to go on, you see me, so obviously you can say, Rygin King is familiar with me updating upon this case, and he's not too happy, you see me, I say, because we come and let you know, say the police did, you know, when them take him out of the vehicle, them fling him down, fling him on the prison cell wall. You see me, I say, and them never liked that. But he was okay with me saying that the people saying he's snitching on his co-defendants. You see me, I say, but nevertheless, fast forward a couple years later, we're still here. You know what I mean? I know me, I see people saying, you know, don't forget about Rygin King. It's free Rygin King. You see me, I say, and you know, it's some promoters who's looking, you know, to book him when he, you know, is able to walk away from this case. Now, it seems like it has been dismissed, my people. You see, I said we're going to take a look at a couple documents from the court, and then we'll get to what my source is saying. You see, I said. Now, remember, in 2024, Rygin King was traveling in a vehicle. He was in the front seat, passenger side. The vehicle got pulled over by, you know, the gang squad that are there with the gun business them. You see, I said one gun was found in the passenger side and nobody owned up for it, so everybody get charged. You see, I said, but nevertheless, this is 6/12/2026 and upcoming July 1st. Appearance things have been dismissed. You see, I say, my people, and that's just why the people them say he is cooperating because everybody else in the case, well, as you can say, it's not dismissed. I don't know what that old word means, but that's his wife. You see, I say, this what you see in front of you right now is the driver. He's calling for a severance. You know, he wants, you know, his trial separate from his co-defendants. You see, I say, and these are the other people that got locked up with him. Now, my source is saying, Rygin King don't want to own up for the gun, even though it was fine pan Fame's side. Everybody in the car seems to be in agreement to put the blame on this individual, Daryl Tate. This is but he is not taking the charge, so that's why you see the thing is prolonging. And you know how this thing goes. You know, whoever has the worst record, X, Y, and Z statements, is going to get it. But nevertheless, you know how the court documents thing go in New York when it's criminal. If it's not federal, you ain't gonna really see nothing. You have to go down to the courthouse and really pull them dockets there, you know. But unfortunately for Rygin King, I don't want to say I'm in contact with his co-defendants, but, you know, people around his co-defendants is reaching out to me because me are the media and they want to get, you know, the full story out. And like I said from last couple years ago, Rygin King is snitching on Cray, man, and BLAMDEM, and whoever else in that answer. You see me, I saying, you can see from May 18th when I contacted my source, you know, to ask what's the update with this case. Basically, like I said before, he's snitching, he's under protective act with the feds, he's snitching on BLAMDEM, all type of people, you see me, I say, and that is why we not really hear nothing. So him getting locked up by ICE, I think that was just part of the, you know, the ploy, because he's snitching on everybody. I know you say BLAMDEM, Cray, man, and a bag of people they get locked up, don't it? But me just giving them an update while going for that to go and it look like his case has been dismissed. And a decision has been rendered. You see my say. So just check out them next suggested videos and see on the screen in the meantime, because we're not going to go this no longer, you know. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.